Hi everyone, so Taylor's gonna match her teeny mini toys to the air, land and water mat. Are you ready, Taylor? Okay, what toys have you got in there? Okay, so let's match them to the mat.
The sun goes in the air.
That's the star, right? The star goes in the air, okay. Then the car, where does the car go? On the land. What is that, a goat?
Go.
Goat goes in the mountains. The fish in the
Water.
water. The duck in the water as well, very good. Then a bird in the air, right? Where did the children play? In the land. Who's that? Heidi. It's Heidi and her friend, right?
Hi, and friend.
Yeah. Great. Lovely. Give yourself a hand, Taylor. Good job. Bye-bye.